Hello everyone. My name is Sanya Sigir and I'm a student of first SEM CSE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. And my topic is classification of operators. This is an overview of the topics that we will be covering today. We will be talking about classification based on the operands and operation in detail. Classification based on operands. The operators are classified into four major categories based on the number of operands. There is unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator, and special operators. Here we have some of the examples of operators in C. Let us understand these operators in detail. Unary operator. An operator which acts on only one operand to produce the result is called as unary operator. The operators precede the operand. Example, -10, -a, -b2. Binary operators. An operator which acts on two operands to produce the result is called a binary operator. In an expression involving a binary operator, the operator is in between two operands. Example, a plus b, a into b. Ternary operator. An operator which acts on three operands to produce a result is called a ternary operator. Ternary operator is also called conditional operator. Example, a question mark b colon c. Since there are operands a, b and c that are associated with operator question mark and colon is the ternary operator. Classification based on operation. We have arithmetic operators, relational, logical, assignment, increment and decrement operators, conditional, bitwise and special operators. Let us understand these operators one by one in detail. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are symbols used in mathematics to perform basic mathematical operations. Here are some arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Next, we have relational operators. Relational operators in C are used to compare values. They return either true, that is 1, or false, 0, based on the comparison result. Here are the relational operators in C. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Next, we have logical operators. Logical operators in C are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values, expressions that result in either true or false. Here are the logical operators in C. We have logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Let us know these in detail. The logical AND operator in C performs a logical AND operation on two Boolean expressions. It returns true if both expressions are true, otherwise it returns false. Here is a table for you to understand better. First, we have operand 1 true and operand 2 true. Then the result would be true. Likewise, if the operand 1 is false and the operand 2 is false, then the result would be false. Logical OR. The logical OR operator in C performs a logical OR operation on two Boolean expressions. It returns true if at least one of the expressions is true, otherwise it returns false. For example, if operand 1 is true and operand 2 is true, the result would be true. If the operand 1 is false and operand 2 is false, the result would be false. Logical NOT. The logical NOT operator in C is a unary operator that reverses the logical state of its operand. It negates a Boolean expression, turning true into false and false into true. Next, let us understand assignment operators. The assignment operator, or equals to in C, is used to assign a value to a variable. It assigns the value on the right-hand side of the operator to the variable on the left-hand side. There are types of assignment statements: simple assignment statement, shorthand assignment statement, and multiple assignment statement. Simple assignment operator. The simple assignment operator in C is represented by the equal sign. It is used to assign a value to a variable. The syntax is Variables equal expression semicolon. For example, A is equals to 10 semicolon. Here the RHS is constant. A equals B semicolon. Here RHS is variable. A equals B plus C. Here the RHS is an expression. Shorthand assignment operator. In C, shorthand assignment operator are compact forms that combine arithmetic or bitwise operations with assignment. They perform both the operations and assignment in a single step. For example, x plus equal y, which means x is equals to x plus y. Multiple assignment operator, a statement in which a value or set of values are assigned to more than one variable is called multiple assignment operator. Example, I equals 10, j equals 10, k equals 10, which can be written as I equals j equals k equals 10. This is called as multiple assignment. Increment and decrement operators. In C, the increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1 respectively. They can be used both as postfix and prefix operators. The increment and decrement operators are classified into two categories: post-increment and decrement and pre-increment and decrement. Post-increment and decrement. The post-increment and decrement operators in C are used to increment or decrement the value of a variable after the current value is used in the expression. The operand value is used first and then the operand value is incremented or decremented by 1. For example, in post increment we have a plus plus equivalent to a is equals to a plus 1. Post decrement, a minus equivalent to a is equals to a minus 1. Pre-increment and decrement. These operators in C are used to increment or decrement the value of a variable before its value is used in an expression. The operand value is incremented or decremented by 1 first, then the operand value is used. Example, post increment plus plus a equivalent to a plus 1 equals a. Post decrement, a minus minus equivalent to a minus 1 is equals to a. Next, we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to manipulate the bits of given data. These operators are used for testing the bits or shifting them left or right. Bitwise operators may not be applied to float or double. Here are some of the bitwise operators. There's bitwise negate, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, and bitwise OR. Let us understand bitwise AND in detail. If the corresponding bit positions in both the operand are 1 and operation results in 1, otherwise 0. Here is a table to represent the values. Bitwise OR. If the corresponding bit positions in both the operands are 0, then OR operation results in 0, otherwise 1. Here is the table of the bitwise operators. Bitwise XOR. If the corresponding bit positions in both the operand are different, then XOR operation results in 1, otherwise the result is 0. Here is the table of the bitwise XOR operations. Special operators. C supports some special operators of interest such as comma operator and size of operator. Let us know these two in detail. The comma operator. It can be used to link the related expressions together. A comma linked list of expressions are evaluated from left to right. It has least precedence among all operators. It is a binary operator which is used to separate items in the list and combine two or more statements into a single statement. Example, int a equals 10, int b equals 20, and int c equals 30. The size of operator. The size of is a compile time operator. When used with an operand, it returns the number of bytes the operand occupies. The operand may be a variable or a constant or a data type qualifier. The syntax is size of operand. Example, size of char. Output equals 1 byte. Thank you for watching.